Lightspeed Spanish, podcast number 15.
Way.
And for absolute beginners, and this is the weather. Hola, buenos días, Cintia.
Hola, buenos días, Gordon.
¿Qué te cuentas?
Pues nada, aquí vamos a hablar del tiempo.
Del tiempo, sí. Y hoy hace buen tiempo, ¿no?
Sí, increíblemente hace sol.
Muy bien.
Y calor.
Y calor, sí. Well, so there's your first part of talking about the weather. The weather, okay. First thing I would like to say about the weather is this. I've noticed that certainly in the UK, weather is probably one of our filler conversations. We all use it as a kind of way of when we meet somebody. Hello, it's a nice day today, isn't it? Oh yeah, lovely day.
It won't last though.
It won't last.
Make the most of this.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we do have a bit of a down on it. We do try to steal people's joy if they get too excited about the weather. In my area, there's a saying that says it has to rain. Yeah, it's a lovely day, yeah, but it has to rain on tomorrow. It has to. It has no choice. It has to.
They'll be disappointed if it doesn't rain.
Yeah.
It's like, what happened?
Okay, so the Spanish don't talk about the weather as much as we do. Okay, so they talk about food instead. But obviously, weather's an important part. So where do we start, Cynthia? Should we go through the key types of weather that we have?
In England or
No,
in
in general, in the world.
Okay.
Okay, we could be on for a long time in England. All right, so so when we say it's sunny in English, the Spanish say something slightly different, don't they?
Yeah, we say it makes sun.
It makes sun.
We don't say it is. We
And
say
to
it makes.
say it makes is
The weather makes.
okay. The same. The French do the same as well. So, and how do you say it makes?
Hace.
Hace. H-A-C-E. Hace. So hace sol.
Sol. Hace sol.
Hace sol. Like today. Hace sol. And then if it's warm, we say it's warm. You say it makes warm. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We say hace calor.
So calor. Like those who remember calor gas fires. Yeah.
Yeah.
Warmth. Yeah. So.
I think it still exists.
Yeah, so hace sol, it's sunny. Hace calor, it's hot. If we talk about a nice day, what other things can you say about a nice day? For example,
Hace un buen día.
Hace un buen día. It makes a good day. Yeah?
It makes a good day.
It makes a good day. So hace un buen día. So hace sol, hace calor, hace un buen día. The sky is clear. There's not a cloud in the sky. How do you say that?
You've got the sentence in your head, and I don't know which one.
It's el cielo está despejado.
Okay. El
Okay.
cielo está despejado.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about hace, but now I
No,
can't think of anything
no,
with hace
no.
anymore.
Just referring to things that on a nice day, when the sky's clear, you can say está despejado. And also sometimes when it's absolutely so hot, Cynthia.
Hace bochorno.
Bochorno. Now we don't have many of those days here, but in
No.
Spain, many. How would you describe un día
Bochorno.
bochorno?
Un día bochornoso. It's like this heat, and a little bit damp as well.
Right, so
Like
it's
close.
yeah, close. Yeah, when it's really close. Okay. And then what about bad weather?
Okay, we have hace frío. Hace mal tiempo.
So hace frío, so it makes cold, yeah? Hace mal tiempo, the opposite of hace buen
Hace
tiempo.
buen tiempo.
Hace
Hace
mal-
mal tiempo.
Mhm.
Hace un mal día. Hace un buen día.
Yeah.
Hace... ¿Qué más?
Okay. What about if it's windy?
Hace viento.
Hace viento. Okay, so it makes wind as well, rather like beans.
But we don't say that. We don't say hace with rain. We don't
No.
say it makes rain. We say it rains.
Yeah. Yeah. And
Llueve.
llueve. Or if it's actually raining in the moment, está lloviendo.
Está lloviendo.
So the interesting thing about weather is this: you've really just got to learn which ones go with it makes and which ones go with it is. Okay, because there are distinct differences.
The basic ones cold, hot, sunny. It's with hace. Hace
Yeah.
frío, hace calor, hace sol,
Okay.
hace buen día, hace mal día.
Mal día. So, if it's raining, there are a couple of ways that you can do it. You can just use the verb, Cynthia did, and say, because the verb to rain is llover, so you can, and it's slightly irregular. You just say llueve, okay, or llueve. Today it's raining, or you can use, I beg your pardon, you can use the verb with estar, okay, and that's where you make it into an ing, and you say está lloviendo. Now you can only use that when it's actually raining, when you're describing it just happening now. Está lloviendo. So let's do a few examples of that. For example, it's raining, está lloviendo.
It's snowing.
It's snowing,
So either nieva, the verb is nevar,
nevar.
so either nieva or está nevando.
So está nevando. Now, the other kinds of snow, for example, hailstone. If
Vale.
it's hailstone,
So graniza o está granizando.
granizando. Because hailstone is called
Granizo.
granizo, like grains. Yeah. So está granizando. Está nevando. It's snowing. Está granizando. It's hailstoning. That happens sometimes in the summer here. Yes.
Snowing happens sometimes in
Don't exaggerate, Cynthia. Now,
in June.
que exagerar. Okay. What other kinds of weather do we have? If we have a flood.
A flood?
Yeah. There's so much water that there's a flood. Inundación.
Una inundación.
Yeah. And how would you describe that? There is.
Hay una inundación.
So there is an inundation of water.
And what do you call the other one?
Drought.
Drought.
A drought, yeah.
Sequía.
Sequía, which comes from that word seco, yeah, which you see on wine as well, don't you? Dry.
What about it's foggy? Está nublado.
Nublado.
Like this morning was foggy.
Yeah.
Now it's
that's
sunny,
right,
but
yeah.
it was foggy.
So nublado is from the root of the word cloud, which is nube. Yeah. So una nube is a cloud. So nublado is kind of like cloudy, misty. But you also have a word niebla.
Niebla.
And now what's that one?
Niebla is mist or fog.
Okay. And so está nublado, it's foggy or misty. And what would you say? Hay niebla?
Hay niebla.
Hay niebla, there's mist. Yeah.
I don't think we make a difference between misty and fog. Is there a difference?
I don't know what the difference between fog and mist is.
I don't know.
I'm not sure,
In
but I'm
Spanish.
sure there is a difference, yeah? So we've got the sun is called el sol, yeah? And we've also got the rain, which is
La lluvia.
la lluvia, okay? We have the wind,
El viento.
the snow,
La nieve.
hailstone,
El granizo.
and frost,
La helada.
helada, from like helado, isn't it? But I've also heard escarcha,
Escarcha.
yeah? And how would you see the difference between helada and escarcha?
Helada, we say that it falls. Cayó una helada.
Okay,
What would you say in English? Like during the night,
it has, I
The
don't know, everything is-
frost fell.
Yeah, okay.
In Ireland,
Yeah,
Y escarcha is where you've got...
Is the result of that, isn't
Yes,
it? It's
escarcha.
what you have over the top of your car in the morning that you've got to scrape off, yeah.
Yeah, escarcha is what you get rid of.
Escarcha.
Escarcha.
Okay. Now, is there anything else that we haven't covered in terms of weather? I think we're just about covered everything, haven't we?
If it's very cold, we say hace un frío que pela.
Ah, yeah. Hace un frío que pela. It's making a cold that peels your skin off, so it's so cold. Okay then, so that's the weather for you, okay? Again, we'll have all of this in order and some exercises for you in the help sheets.
Yes.
Hope that's been valuable. Nos vamos y nos vemos.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.